I'm showing you the Fit and Fill tool on the free version of Riverside FM, and you get to that tool by clicking on the image of your video and clicking on the crop icon. And when you get into that, you'll see there's a little screen icon which flips from fit to fill. So if I click on that icon, I can show you what I recorded this video on originally. It was a Zoom recording, and you can see that in the LinkedIn aspect ratio, that square, it's not great. I'm tiny. So what I need to do is I want to fill the screen, the frame on my dashboard with the speaker, in this case me. So I'm going to click on fill and you'll see that it fills the screen. If, however, I wanted it to go back to the original recording aspect ratio of a Zoom recording, then I click on that icon again and it will fit the entire original recording into that LinkedIn square. So depending on what you want to use and how you want to use it, fit and fill options in the cropping area are quite useful.